How to turn off two-step verification in TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on your profile at the bottom right. Then click on three lines at the top right. After that, at the bottom, click on Settings and Privacy. Then click on Security and Permissions, which is the third option. In here, you'll find two-step verification. Click on it. As you can see, it's turned on. And two of them are turned on. You need to click on Individuals. After you've clicked on one of them, click on Turn Off. In my case, only two steps are turned on, so if I turn off one, both will be turned off. As you can see, it has been turned off. And this is how to turn off two-step verification in TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.